Algerian desserts are a vibrant celebration of history, culture, and irresistible flavors. Did you know that Algerian sweets often combine almonds, honey, and fragrant orange blossom water, reflecting centuries of Berber, Arab, and Ottoman influences? These treats are more than just delicious. They symbolize hospitality and generosity, especially during weddings, Eid celebrations, and family gatherings. Among the most cherished is makrod, a diamond-shaped semolina pastry filled with dates or almonds, then fried and drenched in honey. It's enjoyed across Algeria, particularly in cities like Algiers and Constantine. Another favorite is baklava, an opulent dessert made of layered phyllo pastry, finely chopped nuts, and honey syrup, introduced during Ottoman rule and now a staple at festive tables. Lastly, kalbellouz, meaning heart of almonds, is a moist semolina cake soaked in orange blossom syrup and packed with ground almonds, traditionally served during Ramadan evenings. Each of these sweets tells a story of celebration, tradition, and the artistry that makes Algerian desserts truly unforgettable and beloved across generations.